It was supposed to be the crown jewel of downtown Portland, the Ritz-Carlton, but after financial woes and the brink of foreclosure, it was sold back to its lender. And tonight, we're going beyond the headlines.
New York-based Ritz-Carlton announcing it bought the Block 216 tower yesterday, which has the hotel, residential units, office, and retail space. Joelle Jones shows us what this really says about the state of business downtown.
The new owner says this shift in hands is meant to strengthen the property, but the announcement comes shortly after financial records show the luxury apartment was facing potential foreclosure due to underperformance in its barely leased office space.
A new lease on life for the Block 216 tower. Since opening in 2023, the skyscraper anchored by the Ritz-Carlton has struggled to stay afloat. Prior to the purchase, Ritz-Carton publicly considered buying the property to recoup its more than $500 million construction loan instead of waiting for repayment from then-owner Walter Bowen.
We have a crisis downtown.
In June, our Ken Body asked Portland real estate developer Jordan Schnitzer what the financial woes surrounding the property and other downtown businesses says about the state of downtown. On Eye Northwest Politics, the business mogul likening the city's more than 30% office vacancy rate to a struggle with substances.
What they tell me is until they hit bottom and said they weren't ready to face their issues and recover. And that's why I think we need to look at Portland. It's that bad. There's not been one new business tenant coming to Portland downtown in 2 years.
The latest Portland Metro Chamber State of the Economy report found job growth in the region fell below pre-pandemic levels as the city's real estate appeal dropped to a 2-decade low.
And why would a tenant want to come to downtown Portland, which is the jewel of the community and the jewel of the state, if they're going to be paying these higher taxes?
A filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission says the company may sell off the office, hotel, and condo spaces in the next few years, but Ritz-Carton says the hotel will continue to operate as usual. Their CEO stating in part, Ritz-Carton understands the importance of such a project to Portland's downtown. Our ownership bolsters the prospects for the future office leasing and sales of Ritz-Carlton residences by strengthening the project's resources.
And Ritz-Carton says they will be partnering with the Lincoln Property Company to manage this building while Marriott International continues to manage the hotel and residences. A spokesperson for the hotel says they are excited and looking forward to working with the new owner. Reporting in downtown Portland tonight, I'm Joelle Jones, Quint 6 News.